Okay, I've got something really different for you today. This is part of a private collection of one of our customers. It's a 1960 Mercedes Benz 190 SL. Takes its lines from the famous racing cars of the 1950s and, of course, the famous Gullwing car. It's up for 129,995. Beautiful in anybody's collection. Hasn't been restored, but it has been sympathetically restored with things like reconalizing, etc. An absolutely beautiful car, stunning, and enjoy the rest of the video.